Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to play Vita Mahjong without ads on your phone. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Vita Mahjong app and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you open it, you will see the home screen with the play button and different game modes. To remove ad, the easiest trick is to use aeroplane mode. Just swipe down from the top right corner of your phone, tap on the little aeroplane icon. When the icon turns orange, aeroplane mode is on. This blocks ad from loading. Now go back to the game, tap play and pick any tile layout you like, classic, turtle or any level. Since your internet is off, you won't see any ads pop up before or after rounds. Match identical tiles to clear the board. You can only select tiles that are free on the left-right side. Keep matching until everything is clear. If you get stuck, use the hint button to highlight a pair. You can also shuffle tiles when there are none. Some features may need internet like bonus reward or daily challenges, so if something doesn't load, that's normal. Airplane mode blocks ad and those features, but the main classic gameplay works perfectly offline. When you are finished playing, swipe down again and tap the airplane mode icon to turn off airplane mode. Now you are back online, and that's it. That's how you play Vita Mahjong completely ad-free on your phone using a simple trick. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.